Hey everyone, so in front of me today I have the Big Apple Collectibles Halloween Horror Mystery Box. So according to Big Apple Collectibles website, it is supposed to contain 6 Halloween or horror related Funko Pops, and there's supposed to be at least one chase or exclusive in each box. Now, I did order 2 of them. As you can see, there's only one box here. So I'm hoping that when I open this box, it's going to be 2 additional boxes, or else I'm gonna have to talk to Big Apple about where my second box is. So, it also says though that if you do get more than one, like I did, there is a chance to get duplicates because they package and seal all of these ahead of time. Each box is supposed to contain over $64 retail value of products in it. So some of the big ones to watch out for this, Michael Myers chase, Freddy Krueger chase, the Bugs and Hyde 2-pack, the Nightmare Before Christmas original vaulted mayor. Oh, and there's supposed to be 2 Bugs and Hyde and 2 mayors to look out for. And then also the big one, the metallic Jack Sally Oogie Boogie 3-pack. So I collect the Nightmare Before Christmas Funko Pops. I do not have the original mayor, and I do not have the metallic 3-pack. Because both of those are way over my budget right now. So I would be very, very excited to get either one of those. So as you can see, I'm wearing my lucky Jack Skellington sweatshirt, hoping that means I will get the mayor or the metallic 3-pack in this box. So on that note, let's open this up and see what we've got. I'm so nervous, but I'm also excited. Okay, see what we got. Or not. Let's open this up and we will see what we've got. Wish me luck. Okay. Good sign. We've got, if I can get this out of here. We've got one box. And 2 box. Okay. We'll just toss this one aside. I already put away my knife. Okay, here we go. Okay, nice. It's not a grail. So, first one, we've got Alpha, Walking Dead. Once I'm done unboxing everything, I will price everything up and see what the total is for each box. So number 2, we've got dun, 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 Pennywise with the balloon. Okay. Not bad at it. I actually don't have any Pennywise, so let me have first one. So third, we've got Patrick Bateman from American Psycho. Next, we have the Harlequin Demon Glow in the Dark. As I mentioned before, I do have pretty much all of Nightmare Before Christmas. So I do have Harlequin Demon. However, I have the glitter version, the diamond. I have the diamond edition of Harlequin Demon. This is the glow in the dark version, which I do not have. So that's still a win in my book. For fifth one, we have Bill Murray from Zombieland. That's kind of cool. Okay, cool. And last but not least, we have Gomez Addams. So here are the 6 from the first box. I'm going to go ahead, set these aside, and we will open up the second box and see what we get. And after I open up the second box, I will plug everything into the Funko app and find the value for everything. Moving on to the second box, let's see what we've got. Well, I opened this one up upside down. First one, we've got Pennywise Funhouse. Second one, we have Georgie. Man, a lot of it pops with these boxes. Third one, Pugsley to go with Gomez. Fourth one, the Devil, and I do have this one. There's no variants of it or anything, so I actually just have this exact one. So, oh well. Fifth one is Wichita from Zombieland. And last but not least, it's another one I actually already have. Edward Scissorhands. I actually bought all of the Edward Scissorhand pops, so yeah. Whatever. Actually one of the cooler ones anyway, because it's him in his black suit. It's very detailed and everything, so yep. So there's the 6 from the second box. I'm going to go calculate the total for all these between our 2 boxes, and I will be right back. I just finished pricing all of the pops in the 2 mystery boxes. So what I did was I went ahead and I found the price on the Funko app or PPG if the data was not available on the Funko app. I also went ahead and went to Big Apple Collectibles website to try to see what they were selling it for retail price. So I'm going to start with box 1. First up is Alpha from Walking Dead. On the Funko app, she is listed as $8. On Big Apple Collectibles website, she is listed as $8.99, and she is still in stock, so you can go buy her right now if you want. Next, we have Pennywise with the balloon. Funko app has him listed as $12. Big Apple Collectibles website is selling him for $8.99. Next is Patrick Bateman. Something really cool about his pop is that the clear coat is actually made of rubber, so he's kind of squishy when you hold him. Anyway, on the Funko app, he is listed as $10, and Big Apple Collectibles is selling him for $8.99. Next up is the glow-in-the-dark Harlequin Demon. I will say that I noticed that the Barnes & Noble exclusive sticker is not on the box, so I don't know what happened there. Anyway, Funko app has him listed as $14, and the Big Apple Collectible website is selling him for $19.99. And here we have Bill Murray from Zombieland. Funko app is listing him as $6, and Big Apple Collectible website is selling him for $8.99. And last one for box 1, we have Gomez Adams. I could not find a value for him on the Funko app, so I had to go to Pop Price Guide, PPG's website, and they are listing him currently as $11, and Big Apple Collectibles is selling him for $8.99. So now if we calculate the totals from the first box, you will see that according to the Funko app and PPG, the total of our first box is $61. And according to Big Apple Collectibles website, it is $64.94. These boxes are supposed to guarantee a $64 retail value, and you will see that according to Big Apple Collectibles, the first box is 94 cents over that guaranteed amount. Moving on to box 2, first one up, we have Pugsley Adams. There was insufficient data when I tried to look him up on the Funko app, so I had to go to Pop Price Guide again, and they listed him currently as $8, and Big Apple Collectibles currently selling him for $8.99. Next up, we have Edward Scissorhands. Funko app has him listed as $8, and Big Apple Collectibles is selling him for $8.99. Next we have Georgie. Funko app is listing him as $8, and Big Apple Collectibles is currently selling him for $8.99. Next one is Wichita. Funko app is currently selling her for $10, and she's actually sold out on Big Apple Collectibles website, but they were selling her for $8.99 when she was available. Pennywise with Funhouse is the next one we're going to look at. Funko app currently has him for $9, and Big Apple Collectibles is currently selling him for $8.99. The last pop for box number 2 is the Nightmare Before Christmas Devil. This pop was also missing his sticker. I believe he should have a Walgreens exclusive sticker, or at least the one that I currently own has a Walgreens exclusive sticker. Funko app currently has him listed as $17, and Big Apple Collectibles is currently selling him for $19.99. So let's calculate the total for box 2 now. According to the Funko app and PPG, the total of our box is $60. According to Big Apple Collectibles website, the total is $64.94, which is the same total as the first box that we received. So again, it's over the guaranteed $64 value, but barely. Only 94 cents. So final thoughts. These two boxes could have been better, but they also could have been worse. Big Apple did guarantee a $64 retail value, and according to their website, they were $64 retail value. It's not $64 Funko app PPG value, but it's close. Overall, I did get some cool pops. A couple duplicates I already have, but you know, Big Apple didn't know that when they sent it to me. My only complaint is that I wish that the Devil and the Harlequin Demon came with the exclusive stickers like they're supposed to, but that's about it. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe below. And if you see anything that you would want me to unbox, let me know. It doesn't have to be Funko. It doesn't have to be mystery boxes. It can be subscription boxes. It can be craft kits. It can be Legos. Whatever you see that you're interested in and you would like for somebody to unbox for you before you go and purchase it yourself, just let me know. I'm your person. And on that note, have a great day.